In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete unused symbols in Adobe Illustrator. Symbols are reusable design elements that help keep files lightweight and consistent, but over time, old or experimental symbols can pile up and clutter your project. Cleaning them out makes your panel easier to manage and can even improve performance. Here's how to tidy things up with confidence. First, open the Symbols panel, go to the top menu, choose Window, and then select Symbols. If the panel was hidden, it will appear as a floating window or docked on the side of your workspace. Inside, you'll see thumbnails representing every symbol in your document. If you hover over a thumbnail, the tooltip shows its name, which is helpful if you've named your assets clearly. Next, decide which symbols you don't need anymore. Click on a single symbol to select it. You can select multiple symbols at once by holding Shift to grab a range, or use Command on Mac, Control on Windows to select non-adjacent ones. Take a second to confirm you're not deleting anything you rely on. If a symbol looks similar to one you need, the names and thumbnails can help you tell them apart. Once you've made your selection, look at the bottom of the Symbols panel for the trash can icon. Click it to delete. Illustrator may prompt you to confirm that you want to remove the symbol. Accept the prompt, and the selected symbol or symbols will disappear from the panel, keeping only what you actually use. Now, there's an important safeguard to know. If a symbol is currently used in your artwork, Illustrator won't let you delete it right away. You'll get a warning or the delete action will be blocked. That's by design. Illustrator is preventing accidental breaks in your design. To proceed, you'll need to remove or replace the instances of that symbol in your document. This can mean deleting the symbol instances you find on your artboards or swapping them with something else you prefer. A quick scan of your artboards and the Layers panel can help you spot where those instances live. Once those instances are cleared or replaced, return to the Symbols panel and click the trash can again to remove the symbol from your file. That's it. By opening the Symbols panel,